past 18 months took the world on a roller coaster ride, which was filled with highs and lows, that was tough and traumatic, and far from thrilling and terrific. However, the times have changed, and now let's get back to enjoying some real time roller coaster fun at a place where it's meant to be, at our very own amusement parks. The parks in Maharashtra have opened up recently. We at Remarkable are happy to have with us our special guest, Mr. Dhimant Bakshi, Joint CEO in Magica World Entertainment Limited, who gives us all details on how the park is completely ready to welcome its guests with all protocols in place.
Keeping in mind various safety and hygiene initiatives, we have made sure that there are various technological initiatives that we have put in place. We have introduced something called as the virtual queuing for the first time in India and maybe in Asia, where guests really do not have to crowd around. One of the challenges in the busy times of the parks is when people have to queue up, and that's when social distancing gets a bit difficult to manage. So therefore what we've done is we've created an app which talks about when the guest should arrive, and it's a easier and a better way of managing the customer movement. We have a very large capacity of 10,000 guests in a theme park environment. So even with 50% capacity norms that has been prescribed by state, we are fairly ready to manage in all areas. Apart from this, we also introduced the online booking initiative, which was there in place, but we have made it even more robust, and we believe that almost 90-95% of guests are likely to use the online booking mode, which earlier was in the region of 50-55%. So we see a significant shift to online. Apart from this, at various strategic locations, we have placed the dispensers which will provide the disinfectant options, as well as rides and attractions at regular intervals would be sanitized. So that's something which we have done here. For food, beverage, we have made menus which are very health oriented and immunity boosters as well. While pandemic is almost become the endemic, but we think that lots of people would have learned out of the COVID experience and would like to adopt to better healthy food options, and we have even made ourselves ready for that. In the retail merchandise business, we have created a module wherein which the shopping is contactless in terms of payment transactions, and even the trial rooms and other facilities are well equipped to handle that. So all in all, I can say that Imagica is ready to welcome all the guests back, and we are eagerly waiting for our guests to come and have a great time at our place. Well, past 18 months have been indeed very tough for our business, not only in terms of managing the financials of the business, but overall handling the staff morale and keeping the things going. And not only that, but to keep the entire facilities upkeep in terms of safety, maintenance, hygiene, and overall infrastructure. So I must tell you that our team has really stood up to the occasion and have done a brilliant job in terms of, despite financial adversities, they have really stepped up and handled this. So how I see this business ahead is that this has been the time of the last 18 months have been the time where we've been able to rethink and reimagine our business in a significant way. One way to look at adversity is to be bogged down, and the other is to look at where can we improve and where does the opportunity lay. So in the post-pandemic world, things are looking far better than what it was in the phase 1 wave. I must compliment the state government for implementing the vaccination measures in a great manner. I think it's phenomenal considering our population and the overall size of the work that was involved. Having said so, I think guests have been confined to their homes and work from home and various situations, school from home. Everything was practically from home or indoors, and digital, that too. I think guests are ready, and we can tell you that from the various promotions that we carried out to gauge guest intent as well as generate a demand funnel, we saw a fairly positive and a strong upbeat response, and I'm sure that over a period of next 2-3 weeks, the demand will slowly and steadily build up. I think to get back to pre-COVID levels, it would take time because lots of outstation guests who used to come during season time may take a while to ramp up. Good news for us is Diwali is around the corner, and hopefully lots of guests would be willing and wanting to come and get to the best in-class entertainment experience that we provide. Welcome to Imagica, and we are ready to serve you.